Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page Raihan's Teaching. This is Muhammad Raihan Rana. Today, my selected topic is how to learn English easily. If you want to learn English fast, you need to make a decision. Why do you want to learn English? For that, then you should listen. Listening is most important for learning English, and this is first need. If you don't listen, you can't speak English. For that, I think if you want to learn English, first you need listening. Then you should speak. Many people thinks I don't have any parents who learn English. How can I practice English? I have an idea for you. You have many apps for learning English. I will give a video later about these apps. So now our problem is that we are afraid to make a mistake. For that we can't speak English. Many people in our country whom thinks mistake is a very problem in learning English, and for that he doesn't speak, and he can't learn English. But if you want to learn English, I suggest you should think mistake is not a matter. I think mistake is a power for learning English, and I'm also have many mistake, but this is not matter. Matter is that if you want to learn English, you if you and you should mistake, then you need to structure. If you can memorize an structure daily, and then you should vocabulary. If you want to learn English, you need to vocabulary. This is most important for learning English. For that I suggest you can memorize daily 5 vocabulary, and this is very important. You can writing some English daily, and you should read every day some newspaper or English book daily. So that's all about today's my selected topic. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much all. Allah Hafiz. Bye.